Your vehicle's paint does more than just look great. It's the first layer of protection against the elements. From harsh winters to the hot summer sun, your vehicle's paint takes a beating. Today, we'll go over a few tips on how to protect it. One of the best tips is just to simply wash your vehicle regularly. Dirt, road grime, bird droppings, tree sap, and bug splatter can all damage the clear coat if they're left sitting on the surface too long. Try to wash your vehicle every couple of weeks, and even more often during the winter months when road salt is common. That brings us to our next point, trying to remove road salt as quickly as possible. After snowstorms or whenever roads have been salted, rinse your vehicle thoroughly, paying special attention to the wheel wells and underneath the car. Our next tip is to apply wax to your vehicle. A quality wax adds another layer of protectant against UV rays, water, dirt, and other contaminants. Wax typically only lasts a few months, but if you keep a protective layer on your vehicle, it helps preserve its shine and makes future washes easier. It also helps just to park smart. Whenever it's possible, try to park in a garage, choose a shaded spot on hot days, and avoid parking under trees where sap, bird droppings, and falling branches can damage your paint. Even small habits like where you park can make a big difference over time. It's also important to repair your scratches or chips early. Small chips and scratches may seem harmless, but they expose the metal underneath to moisture, increasing the risk of rust. Addressing minor damage early can help prevent more expensive repairs down the road. And our last tip is to be careful at automatic car washes. Not all car washes are created equal. Older automatic washes with abrasive brushes can leave swirl marks and fine scratches over time. Touchless car washes or careful hand washing are often gentler on your vehicle's finish. If your vehicle has deep scratches, peeling clear coat, fading, or damage from an accident, professional refinishing can restore both the appearance and protection of your vehicle. At Patrick Auto Body and Collision Centers, our technicians use advanced paint matching technology and professional refinishing techniques to help your vehicle look like new again. Schedule an appointment today with Patrick Auto Body and Collision Centers.